Hi guys, and welcome to the workshop. So this is where I sit and work all day, every day on commission projects and everything else. So it's always a bit of a mess in here. Kind of happens, a little bit unavoidable when I'm busy. So a bit of a different video for you today. I just wanted to talk to you guys about what I'm doing, what I've done, where I'm sort of standing at the moment, what sort of things you can expect from me, and so on. So first things first for me, I just came back from a really awesome holiday to Asia, so I went to both Japan and Hong Kong. So I'm looking to get a really cool video put together for you of that trip, all the different things I did, all the different ideas it gave me. I had an absolute blast, and if anybody gets the chance to go through either of those places, I recommend it. Japan specifically. Hong Kong was a little bit sort of iffy. Just going to address the issue of my hat while I'm here. So I've got short hair. This is what happens when you wake up and work across from your bedroom every day. So this is what the hat's for. It keeps this down, keeps it out of my face, and I can carry on working without having to worry about it, which is wonderful. So something I haven't addressed to you guys yet is my sort of work education situation. So last year I graduated my university, my third year of university. Had my graduation ceremony in September, that's all done. Not long after I finished university, I was still working sort of 30 to 40 hours a week in management at the cinema, which was draining and the hours were all over the place. But I got a job actually working for a signwriters, doing graphic design for them. Wasn't with them for very long, only 3 months, it wasn't quite working out for me, so in October I just dropped that and I've been suit building full time ever since. So that's where my focus is at the moment. This is all day, every day for me now. This one room, hopefully we're looking at getting something that's not in my house because, you know, my bedroom's like across the hallway there, so it's a little bit unfortunate that I don't get to get out much, but at the same time, this is a great little room. I've got everything I need in here. So as to what you can expect from me in the future. So as you've probably seen, I've been really good at uploading weekly for you guys. I know a lot of it was the Nightwolf build, which was a time lapse of one of my suit heads. He's gone. He went out yesterday when I'm recording this. So unfortunately, I won't be seeing him for a while, but I will be getting some really neat pictures of him at Confuzzled. I didn't want to just give you guys 8 parts of that video all in 8 weeks in a row. That's why the last couple of videos were really close together. I'd like to split them up a little bit more, but it just depends on what time I've got to work on different videos all the time. Between now and Confuzzled, I know I'm going to be really busy trying to prep for that, so expect some sort of, you know, not amazing videos, but, you know, I'll try and make sure I'm getting those videos to you every single week. And again, my Patreons of $5 plus per month, they get my video access a whole week early, which is really cool. So step 1 with all of the videos that I'm working on and will be working on. If you've got any suggestions at all for any kind of video, drop it in the comments below. I'd love to see it. Things that get requested more, I'm more likely to do faster. Things that don't get requested, I might think, oh yeah, nobody wants to see that, it's fine. So anything you've got an idea for, drop it in the comments. I will read all of those and compile a list of all the things I've got in mind. And added to that, I want to do a Q&A video. So all your questions, any questions for me about anything at all, it could be about me, about suit building, about that noisy bird that shouts and screams during my videos sometimes. Just drop them in the comments below as well, because in a couple of weeks, maybe next week, we'll see, I'd like to do a nice Q&A video for you guys. So anything you want to know, I will just have a chat with you and answer your questions. So some of the videos I know that I'm going to be looking at, got my little notes in my nice little Vaporeon book. Feet have been requested a lot, that's something that will be coming. I've got some footage recorded for my trial on dyeing fur, I would like to re-record it, it's awful. A tutorial on hand paws. A deep look into the tools that we use, the materials that we use, what's good quality, what isn't, etc. And then obviously the videos like I've said about Japan, and probably a video from Confuzzled, which is in just 2 weeks from today, which is terrifying because I've got so much to do. So what else can you expect from me? So I've got my Patreon, as I've mentioned to you guys already. That is a really good way for you guys to keep up with me daily. I'm constantly uploading progress photos for $1 plus patrons, which is really cool. That's pretty much every day you'll get a sneak peek at what I'm working on. And then my $5 at the moment, like I say, getting the week early access, and my $10 also get both of those. But I'd like to be able to provide more sort of in-depth videos for you guys. So, you know, some slowed down videos where I just talk to you in real time about how I'm doing something and what I'm doing, which I think would be a really neat addition to people that want to put that money towards supporting me. Hopefully, I can start thinking of raffles and things like that and sending little bits out to some of my patrons every month. That would be really, really awesome, something I'd really like to do. At the moment, it's just not affordable with the support that I'm getting. I appreciate every single bit of support you guys give me. It's absolutely fantastic. I couldn't ask for what you guys have done. It's just great. Anybody who's willing to say, even here's $1 a month so I can look at your pictures, that's fantastic, guys. I really appreciate that you guys want to see my work like that, which is wonderful. I really hope that I can help you guys out a little bit more, especially with Patreon and things like that. But I've also got my Discord, so you can hop onto the Discord server. The link should be in the description. Added to that, patrons get their own little, their own role, which is pretty cool. Discord's great. I will chat to people in there about anything and everything. Just pop on down, have a chat. It would be great. I also have, obviously, the standard Facebook, Twitter. Facebook I've not used so much lately. Twitter I'm using most. Instagram I'm using infrequently, but I'd like to get some more of my completed pictures up there for you guys. So any of those, all the links again in the description. Come check it out. It's going to be great. I think that's all I really have to talk to you guys about at the moment. If you've got any questions, like I say, please drop them down in the comments box below. I would like to do a Q&A, anything you want to ask me. Any video suggestions, get them down in the box below too. That basically sums up the whole of this video. Hope to bring you guys weekly videos as I have been, which is great. I've been doing really well at that. I've been surprising myself at how well I've been doing. So just to finish off, I would like to give a quick shout out to all of my $10 per month patrons. So that would be Loon, Gomgrut, Blizzard Blue, Lucas Miltenberg, and Uriel Hansen. I apologise if I butchered any of your names. I probably did. I don't know how to pronounce them. That's the issue with just having text, I suppose. But to wrap everything up, thank you everybody for your support. You $10 patrons, so much more. I hope to be getting into contact with some of you guys about sending you some things, hopefully, over the next couple of months. Just so, you know, I can help give back to you guys a little bit for what you've given me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope I've cleared a few things up a little bit for you. And I hope to see you guys soon. Thanks.